Okay, I'm going to show how to put the Conway and snap on. This I'm going to call the good side of the braid. That's the side I want out, and then this is the inside. It's flatter, okay? So you put the facing you, the bad side, I'll call the bad side, the inside, through the side of the Conway with the bar, and then come up, okay? Make sure you leave yourself lots of braid to work with. And then the snap goes so that it's facing the good side, okay? So the scissor part is facing down because we're looking at the bad side, okay? So now we're going to feed it back through. It goes down and then up. Okay, and you don't want to pull the side with the tab to be long, okay? You want to leave that, and that will stay there always. And you adjust the length with the side that's on the top there, okay? You can adjust, shorten, lengthen, however you like. And there you go. There's your Conway with snap.